Hello guys, welcome back to Even Love Family Channel. How you all doing? So today I'm going to be unboxing new skincare products. So guys, before we begin, if you have an idea of the kind of skincare I'm going to be unboxing, leave it in the comment section. Have you done that? Let's go. So guys, this is the skincare product I got. Mary Kay. Yeah, I know you guys might be wondering, she's using another kind of skincare product. Yes, I love skincare products. I love to try skincare products and see the one that goes best for my skin and also for you guys so that you can know what suits your skin. Yeah, so I'm doing it for me and for you so you don't have to try it all over again. I do the testing, you do the buying for your glowing skin. So guys, I got this full set of Mary Kay products. The best of it all is what I got. So I got all of these skincare products which I'm going to be using on my face. So we're going to be unboxing them together. So first I'm gonna start with this beautiful, it's called Time-Wise Repair Volume Fame Foaming Cleanser. That is very good. You don't need to be putting cleaners to clean off your makeups and all that. No, not anymore. You got the best product for you. I've tried it out actually, but I'm gonna unbox it. So you're gonna unbox it with me. So this is how it is. Yeah. So let's unbox it together. Yeah, this is how it looks. Guys, this is magnificent. This is how it looks. Yeah, Time-Wise Repair Foaming Cleanser. Just apply a little on your face. So don't worry, in my next video I'm going to be doing the facial routine with all these products. So this is the cleanser. Yeah. And the next one we're going to be unboxing, oops, it's falling off. The next one I'm going to be unboxing is the Mary Kay Time-Wise Mated 3D Foundation. Yeah, so that after my skincare, I'm going to be having that beautiful glow on my face whenever I want to go out. So let's unbox it together. Yeah, it looks so beautiful, right? Yeah, this is how it looks. Pretty small, but I think it's gonna last for a very long time because you just apply just a little. And guys, it's also sunscreen. It has the sunscreen, oil free, and the dermatologist tested. So it's all in one. Yeah. So the next one I'm going to be unboxing is the Mary Kay Time-Wise Repair Volume Eye Renewal Cream. Oh, guys, we need this. Even if you're young, you need it to have that regenerated glow on your eyes. You see these wrinkles? These little wrinkles I have over here.
Where is it?
Disappear.
I can't see anything.
So, let's unbox and see how it is. Let's unbox. Oops. Yeah. Guys, share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell so you get to know when we upload new videos. So this is how it looks. The Time-Wise your cream is gonna last like forever.
True.
Because you just apply a little bit on your eyes and you're done. Yeah, guys, this is how it looks. Yeah, and the next one I'm going to be unboxing is the Mary Kay Time-Wise Repair Volume Advanced Lifting Serum.
Correct.
These are beautiful lifting serum. So imagine after you cleansing your face, you just gotta apply a serum that makes the face fresh and glowing. You know what I mean? Yeah, so let's unbox and see how it is. Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. Guys, have a look. See how it is. Beautiful volumes FM Advanced Lifting Serum. And if you guys are wondering, where did I get all this from? Don't worry, I got you. I will leave the description link to get the products, on how to get the products, on the description below. So check it out. And the next one, guys, is going to be Time-Wise Volume Femme Day Cream with SPF 30. SPF 30. You know it's getting to be summer. You need to put that sunscreen on so your face don't get damaged, so you don't have like everything that comes off just go away. So guys, this is how it looks. Let's unbox it. Yeah. Nice. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so portable. I love it. I love the way it feels already. Look how it is. Beautiful. Beautiful Time-Wise Femme Day Cream with SPF. Yeah, let's see how it feels inside. Oh, it has a pop, like you just have to just press down and it comes out. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is so nice, guys. And the next one is this one. It's the Volume Femme Night Treatment with Retinol. Cool for your skin. You just have to go to bed with that beautiful glow. And when you wake up, you don't want to know how it feels. So this, guys, this is how it looks. So let's unbox and see how it looks. It looks similar to that of the day cream, but is that of the night. Yeah, guys, it's just so glowing. Imagine how it's gonna feel inside. Just how the texture, everything is so sleek, so beautiful. Let me open it. Oh, it's the same like that of the day cream, just that this one is for the night and it's for the advanced signs of aging. Oh yeah, guys, I don't want to be old, so I gotta start on my tips to be looking fresh and younger. Yeah, so guys, this is what I got. And the last and not the least is my facial technician. Yeah, so I got it set. So let's unbox. Oops. Let's unbox. Wow, how nice it looks. It looks so nice. So I get this big one. Yeah, just to, you know what I mean, guys. And this for applying my foundation. make it easier to apply the foundation. So guys, this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to change the old ones that I have and replace it with these new ones to apply on my makeup. So when I have my skincare done, I'm going to be glowing with my makeup appliances on. So guys, thank you for staying with me. And in the next video, I'm going to be using this product. I promise you guys, I'm not going to leave you guys out of the box. We're gonna start all together and see how it goes gradually with this new Mary Case product. So guys, thank you for watching and stay cool.